Okay, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I guarantee this will be the last one. I used the name and I actually used something totally different. And the good thing about this, with the exception of the interior letters, this would all cut out because they're interconnected. Now these are going to fall out, but the letters would, if you cut this out of plywood, would all stay on this plane. So kind of an interesting way to do things, text on path. So we're just going to do it real quick. We're going to move this back over to the center of the page. And then I'm going to draw my ellipse and hit P, make it a little bit smaller, make it a little bit bigger. And the main reason I wanted to make this last video is just to kind of show you that what you can do with putting an object almost like a seamless pattern, because we can put a bunch of stuff and have half of it here and half of it there and have it join. So we're just going to make a star, and we're going to, maybe that's a little bit too big, and we're going to put it right there on that center. Now I'm going to make a duplicate of that star and move it over. I'm going to take this part of the star and cut it away. And now I'm going to move the center rotation to the center of our object, and I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. Now I can move this one back over, and we've got the inside of that side. We're going to have the inside of this side, so I can just delete it. Now and we could put, let's just put a circle in the middle. And see, you can have a midpoint. And now what I'm going to do is move my box away. The only thing it will not do, it will not weld that little piece away from there. But as you can see how it welds that. So we could take our virtual segment delete key and just delete that line. Now we're going to take all this and make it something other than a hairline. That's maybe a little bit thick. And then just, well, we're going to go up to, let's go to object and convert the outline to an object. And we're going to actually left click, right click. And you can see how it's welded to the piece. Now we'll have to weld it again. Control D to duplicate it, alternate C to rotate it from the center and go 90 degrees. Control D. And you can see our weld point right there. Just take this thing and weld it. And then you can do the same thing we've done before. Just fill that in, and voila, you have that. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.